The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is an amazing piece of technology that changes how we think about our mobile devices. For a long time, we've had to choose between a small phone for our pockets or a large tablet for our work and movies. We often find ourselves carrying two or even three different gadgets just to get through the day. With the new TriFold, Samsung has finally closed that gap. Before we start, are you excited to try the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold? Tell me in the comments, like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday. Samsung has created a device that folds twice, opening up into a massive 10-inch screen while still being small enough to carry with you all day. It's more than just a cool gadget. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to do everything on one single, seamless screen. The real magic is in how the phone opens and closes. When it's completely folded up, it looks like a slightly thick, normal smartphone that is perfect for quick tasks like texting, checking the weather, or making a quick call. But as you unfold it, the device transforms. It expands panel by panel until it becomes a giant, beautiful display that feels like a professional tablet in the palm of your hand. Even though it has two separate hinges, Samsung kept the design incredibly thin and light. It's made with a strong titanium frame, so it feels solid and balanced in your hands whether you are using it as a simple phone or a full-sized workspace. The TriFold is built to be incredibly fast and smooth. Because the screen is so big, you don't have to keep flipping back and forth between different programs. You can easily use 3 different apps at the exact same time. Imagine being on a video call on one part of the screen, taking notes in the middle, and checking your email on the side, all without ever feeling cramped or cluttered. Samsung even designed a special battery that is split into 3 parts, hidden carefully inside each panel of the phone. This keeps the device slim and easy to hold while giving you enough power to get through a busy day of work and play. It's also an incredible device for capturing memories and having fun. It features a professional-grade camera system that takes sharp, clear pictures and high-quality video, even zooming in from far away when you're ready to relax at the end of the day. Watching a movie on the 10-inch screen is a total game-changer. It feels like having a tiny cinema in your lap. The software is also very smart. It knows exactly how much you have unfolded the phone. It automatically moves your apps around and resizes them instantly as you open or close the screen, so your screen always looks perfect. In short, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold gives us a fascinating look at the future of technology, while it is definitely a premium device. It solves a big problem by replacing both your phone and your tablet with one single, elegant tool, by making a screen that can grow or shrink whenever you need it to. Samsung has created a device that actually fits the way we live today. It is a bold step forward that proves the best technology isn't just about being faster or more powerful, but about being flexible enough to change and adapt right along with us. Like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday.